Okay, this is an exercise in trying to work out what the drift or the tidal stream was and how fast it was and what direction it went in. This is fairly important. It comes into your coastal question papers quite a bit. So what we've been given here is we've been given a water track. Okay. We've also been told that there's a northeast wind and it's created 10 degrees of leeway. Okay, we've also been given a course over ground, which we got from our GPS. So the GPS either told us that we'd been going in that direction and the speed over ground was that, or it may give you the lats and longs, and then you can obviously work out what the rest is. So again, we have a water track. So what's the very first thing we have to do? We have to look at the water track and say, well, hey, what was the leeway? Oops, dear, what's going on? Sorry, excuse that. There was one of my mates having opened a beer. So the water track we thought was 330 degrees, but the northeast wind created 10 degrees of leeway, which means it was actually 320 degrees. So the very first line we draw on the chart is our water track at 320 degrees. The log says we went 4 nautical miles, and that is a water track. But if I look at my GPS, it actually says I'm in this waypoint, or it's given me that bearing of 300 degrees, and it's told me that speed was 6 nautical miles, which means if I join that position and that position, I can get a tidal stream. But is the tidal stream going that way or is it going that way? Well, I actually physically went further than what I thought I'd gone, which means the tide was with me. So I can now measure its speed and I can look for its direction. And that's how we work out tidal streams. In your coastal syllabus, you're going to have to, this was all done in a 1 hour vector. You're going to need to do this in half hours or 40 minutes. Okay, I hope all that helps. Any questions, give me a shout.